Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account type, because analytics differ for profiles versus pages. Open LinkedIn, go to Me View Profile or to your company page, and click Analytics. Once done, enable Creator Mode for richer personal insights or ensure you are an admin for company analytics. Make sure to grant any team members admin roles now so metrics appear. This first step gets you into the reporting interface immediately and sets permissions so data collection and export options become available. You now configure the report. Pick a date range and add demographic filters like location, job function, or industry to see who engages. Then choose the metrics that matter: impressions, clicks, CTR, engagement rate, and follower growth, and compare periods to spot trends. For posts, use Content Analytics to filter by format and time posted. This tells you which types perform best. Make sure to export CSVs or use the API for deeper analysis, so you can combine LinkedIn data with other channels. You finish by exporting the selected reports as CSV or scheduling recurring exports to keep data flowing into your dashboard. After export, validate numbers against on-screen totals and other sources to catch sampling or permission gaps. If metrics look wrong, clear your cache, confirm admin roles, and rerun the report. Some LinkedIn metrics lag by 24-48 hours, so patience helps. Finally, if problems persist, reauthorize any connected apps or re-download the CSV to ensure you have the freshest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.